Vericut accurately simulates how your NC program is going to run on your machine. This helps save you money by preventing crashes, verifying manufacturing components, and reducing prove-out time on your machine. Let's take a look at the simulation of this OKK mill. Notice the NC program on the right side, the machine and workpiece in the center. This is the digital twin of the machine, assuring a precise simulation, and the heads-up display on the left. Once the simulation starts, Vericut works through the NC program line by line. Movement of the machine and material removed is identical to the real-world application. During the simulation, you can manipulate the views to better see any issues with the program. Any errors will be shown in the Vericut logger at the bottom as they occur. The errors are dynamic. By clicking on them, Vericut goes to the line of code creating the issue. You can then review the movements leading up to and after the error. No need to single step through the program at the machine. This is the power of Vericut. Protect your machine from crashes, reduce prove-out time on the machine, and enable true lights-out operation.